Hey guys. Oh God. I just don't think I'll ever have that down, like just like super polished and ready to go. Okay, it's packing time. We're going somewhere tropical. Somewhere tropical. So this is Zayne's suitcase, and then Fedrick and I will share a suitcase. These little, actually we finally got new suitcases. They're just black, nothing crazy. They have the little front thing. I think these are the Samsonite. So pretty much it feels like this whole suitcase is diapers and wipes. Got this lotion, and then y'all look at his swimsuit. We got this at Target. Look at this hat. Zayne, you want to try on your hat? You want to show him a preview? No, not yet. We won't do that yet. Then these shorts. Oh my gosh. And then the little long sleeve to go with it. With the shark tooth hoodie. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh wow. He's gonna be styling. And then like I got these at Dirt Cheap for $1. $1. Eventually I'll get something a little bit more, you know, natural. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see, diaper cream, shoes, all the bibs in the world. And then we got some new shorts because literally it's cold here and we're not doing shorts right now, but, did get some of these from Target. Well, actually this was Dirt Cheap. Target. Then these were Target. Let's see there. No, this is Dirt Cheap too. Oh man. All Dirt Cheap. Okay. And then little khaki ones. He's got some Zara tops. Some other Target. And stuff like that. So we're getting you going. Now I'm just gonna, the main thing is gonna be the snacks. Then over here, actually I just pulled out all my maternity stuff that was in here. I don't have a ton of maternity stuff, but I did a lot of tight, stretchy dresses that I would never wear if I didn't have a big belly. But Fedrick and I will share this suitcase. Oh, suitcase. I actually went out and got a swimsuit. Dirt Cheap had all their swimsuits for $7, and I was like, oh, I gotta get a swimsuit. But then I forgot I already had some swimsuits. Like we went to Mexico in August and I forgot because I had them packed away. So anyways, this is the Shade and Shore from Target, and then this one I love. It's a little bit more sexy. Is from Topshop. So yep, there you go. And I got mostly dresses in there. Yeah, it's gonna get a little bit more organized. Oh man. And today's look is typical sweatshirt, and I have been pulling out the maternity jeans. They are out and about. I do have a little bit of a bump. It's happening. Can't believe it. Gotta have the sunglasses. Okay, some time has passed and didn't get to lay out all my clothes on the bed and show you what I packed, but maybe I'll do that when we actually get there. But I just got back from Target because you know you gotta get your snack game right. And then when you're going out of the country and you have a toddler, yeah, definitely. So Target took my money once again. Yeah, we usually don't buy these anymore, but Zayne does still like them. And when you're on the beach or on the plane, yes. Socks. I've never tried these. Got these. I love olives and just recently discovered that they have olives to go. That makes me so happy. Coffee. because you never know. Candy. And then I'm packing Zayne's bag for the plane. So we'll put some more snacks. These are for the whole trip. These were all on sale, so I'll be putting a few of these in. And this is adult land over here. On the plane, you just sometimes need a good chip. That's Fedrick's preference. Then I got this little hummus thing. And then, yeah, Target once again got me. Let's go see how Fedrick's packing is going. Where is Fedrick? Oh, there you are. Okay. What did you get?
I had to get my travel bag. Now I can start packing. See that right here? This is how I travel right here. This is how you hold it.
Uh-huh. That's a nice bag. What's that, a Coach bag?
I think so.
Yeah.
But it's
Oh, okay. A duffel.
duffel.
Oh man, our place is a disaster. Oh, now I can see you.
Oh yeah, getting it going. That's all I'm taking.
Oh, I see something tropical in there.
Oh, that's my
Show the people.
it's my my trunks. My trunks.
Your trunks.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
But you know,
all you're
regardless-
packing?
Yeah, regardless of where you go, you got to be ready to.
Tell me,
Get a
this is
workout
all
in.
you're taking.
Yeah.
I don't actually believe it.
Minus a couple pairs of shoes. That's it. Packing light.
Okay, well that's
Minimalist vibes.
not how I packed.
No, that's why you have to pack like this, because how you pack only leaves you with this much space.
Okay, well,
Minimalist vibes.
how's the city looking? City's looking.
It's looking.
It's looking. Okay, well, we're gonna pack it up, get this going, and then head to bed.
Yeah, because we gotta wake up at 3 in the morning.
Oh gosh. 3 in the morning, we are waking up.
Yeah.
We can
6
do
a.m.
this.
flight.
6 a.m. flight to the Bahamas. The Bahamas.
Going down the islands, man.
Going
Don't
through
worry about
Texas girl in the Bahamas. See ya.
What do you wanna be, ya?
See you in the islands.
Yeah, I gotta catch up because you already got all your stuff packed. I'm out here just starting.
That's
so
true.
I'm real focused.
Focus. Stay
Focus.
focused. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
Bye. Who's ready?
Oh. Time to go.
I gotta
Last
wake up
set.
Zayne. What's your
I was
last?
gonna say, can you wait, Zayne? I'm gonna change the diapers.
Yeah, I got
I'll
him.
put the bag in the car. We gotta go.
I got him.
We gotta go. We see you at the airport.
We gotta go. Time to get up, Zayne. Chop, chop. Choppity on the rock. Gotta go to the Bahamas. Gotta go to the Bahamas. Okay. Packing her up. Let's do this. We made it in the car. It is 4 something.
4:15.
It's 4:15 and let's see. Oh, let me turn on some lights in here. Oh gosh. Hello, Indiana Jones. 4:15.
4:15. We gotta
Someone
go.
is focused.
We gotta get there on time.
We
We're pushing
left
it, so.
way too late. Some would blame me.
Oh.
Hey, you woke me up at 3:30. You said we were leaving at 3:30.
I know. So I tried to be
He was
nice.
being generous.
This is why I don't be nice anymore.
Oh man, we're gonna make it. let's see if I get my coffee. That's really the important thing. I don't think I am. I have a good feeling about that I'm not. Doing one, really?
You can't drive with it. That's
That
against
was
the law.
Okay.
That's against the
We'll
law.
film at the airport.
Gotta be lawful.
Bye. We're here and they freaking just changed the gate. We're in A and they just changed it to C. Y'all, will I get my coffee or not?
Not. No coffee for you. Oh, it's coming. Wild in here. Like, what is that? What was that?
Signature moves.
Y'all ain't nobody up this early. We the only ones in there. Everybody's sleeping because they got sense. Who wakes up this early to take a trip? You know what?
Oh my gosh.
Nobody wakes up this early except us. You know why? We're the committed ones. We are committed. So we up.
If you're wondering if I got it, I got it. I can't believe it. Nobody was in line. Zayne, are you experiencing?
Say good morning.
Say good morning.
Sign up at getpaid.com/join. 5 miles for today's flight. And continue to earn miles with our
Cheers. Wow.
No
I didn't
cheers.
realize you were in such a good mood all of a sudden.
No cheers. Just wrangling a wild bull.
Literally, also, we got our orange juice and this sweet man over here put his straight ounce of Fedrick and put his orange juice in there.
Because mom won't let me hold it.
Good people in this world.
And he won't let me eat my cookie. It's sad.
Oh my gosh, looking rough. And we're walking really fast. Oh my gosh, why do you keep getting faster as I'm recording?
Because we gotta make a move. You gotta see the real-time speed.
We have like 15 minutes to get across this Miami airport. I'm starving. There's no food. Zayne pretty much slept the whole flight, so that was a plus. Thought we were almost gonna die because the plane dipped and had so much turbulence that the whole plane screamed. And I thought, well, we know if we die where we're going. I didn't want to die today, so